Imagine turning your spare time into real cash. Well, stop dreaming because it's possible with the Cash Bubble app. This innovative application is more than just a game, it's a fun-filled avenue to earn tangible financial rewards. With Cash Bubble, your achievements and performance are not just about points, they're about earning real money. You can redeem these earnings for gift cards, cash out via PayPal, or even win exciting prizes. Cash Bubble app is not just an app, it's a gateway to financial rewards. Now you're probably wondering, how do I get started with the Cash Bubble app? It's simple and straightforward. First, head over to your preferred app store, whether it's Google Play for Android users or the App Store for those on iOS. Type Cash Bubble app into the search bar and hit download. Once the app is downloaded, open it up to start the setup process. You'll be prompted to create an account. This is a breeze. Just enter your email address, create a password, and follow the prompts. Remember, your email address is important, as it will be used for account recovery and cash withdrawal. Now you're in. Take a moment to navigate around. You'll find various games and tasks that can earn you cash rewards. Check out the leaderboard for some friendly competition and the reward section for your earnings. And voila, you're all set to start earning real cash rewards with the Cash Bubble app. So, you've got the app, you're logged in, what's next? It's time to start earning. With the Cash Bubble app, your free time can turn into a rewarding experience. Participate in a variety of activities and watch as your cash rewards pile up. You might be wondering, what activities? Well, there's a plethora of options. Complete tasks, take on challenges, play games, and even participate in daily quizzes. Each activity comes with its own set of rewards, which accumulate in your Cash Bubble account. Now let's talk about the reward system. It's as straightforward as it gets. The more you participate, the more you earn. And when it's time to reap your rewards, Cash Bubble makes it easy. You can redeem your earnings for gift cards, cash out straight to your PayPal account, or even choose from a selection of real prizes. That's it. As simple as that, you can turn your free time into a money-making venture. So what are you waiting for? But don't just take our word for it. Give the Cash Bubble app a whirl. Experience the thrill of earning while you play. Your feedback is invaluable to us as it aids in the evolution and improvement of the app. Share your experiences, your triumphs, and even your suggestions. Download the Cash Bubble app today, earn rewards, and experience the joy of making money in your spare time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Happy earning!